Meet Zyrex, the world's first AI-powered Giantroid and the latest game changer from RIC Robotics. Standing 20 feet tall, Zyrex isn't here to mimic humans, it's designed to build better. From welding and carpentry to 3D printing and finishing work, the robot handles it all with precision and power. Think of it as the construction site's ultimate multitasker. With 26 degrees of freedom, interchangeable tools and AI vision that reads blueprints like a pro. Why now? The construction industry is facing a global labour shortage and high-risk environments. Zyrex helps bridge this gap, offering a safe, scalable solution that's trained by humans but built to eventually work on its own. And despite its size, Zyrex won't crush your budget. With a price under $1 million and a leasing option starting below $20,000 a month, it brings industrial-grade robotics within reach. Zyrex builds on success of RIC's previous models, like the robot that 3D printed a Walmart extension in 7 days. Now we're going beyond printing to full-on general-purpose construction. Zyrex is coming, and the future of building will never look the same. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious about how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.